Are you struggling to improve your English skills? Well, I have an effective method for you. One fun way to enhance your language abilities is by reading and listening to long stories. Reading allows you to expand your vocabulary and understand sentence structure better. Make sure the story has an engaging plot to keep you interested and motivated. As you read, pay attention to new words and try to infer their meanings from the context. Take notes of unfamiliar phrases or idioms and look them up in a dictionary later. Listening to the story being read aloud can also improve your pronunciation and listening skills. You can find audiobooks or podcasts in English that match your level of proficiency. Follow along with the text while listening to improve your reading comprehension. If the story is too challenging, start with simpler texts and gradually move on to more complex ones. Don't worry if you don't understand every single word. The key is to get used to the rhythm and intonation of English. Try to listen to native speakers, if possible, to grasp the nuances of pronunciation. Another tip is to practice speaking by retelling the story in your own words. This exercise helps reinforce your grammar knowledge and enables you to express yourself more fluently. Working on your writing skills is also crucial. Summarize sections of the story or write your opinion about it. Proofread your writing for grammar and spelling mistakes to improve your accuracy. Another technique is to join book clubs or online forums where you can discuss the story with other English learners. Interacting with fellow learners not only helps you practice but also exposes you to different perspectives and ideas. Remember, improving your English will take time and effort. Be consistent in your practice and set achievable goals. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your motivation high. So why not pick up a book today and embark on a language learning adventure? You'll be amazed at how much your English will improve through long stories.